All right, here we go. Howie, 3 boxes of artifacts. Let's do this. From a fresh master, anything's possible. Here we go. All right. Well, to 99, Sidney Crosby. Jeff, you have a good weekend, brother. Appreciate you. Suck up. It was delightful. Jeff Skinner to 299. Ruby. He's like, is that what you got to do for one-on-ones? I'm going to have a freight delivery of coffee cake tomorrow. To 299, Essa Lindell. No doubt, right? That'd be kind of fun. That'd be fun. All the women's groups at church always have a cookbook. How come we don't have a clubhouse cookbook? Peter Forsberg to 299. I'm sure it would be very healthy. Oh, yes. Oh, well, he's a Toronto fan, so Morgan Riley, 5 of 25 dual jersey auto. Morgan Riley. Not bad for a Leaf fan. Then we got one of the golds. Mario Lemieux, Aram. Ben, I'll just settle for a hit. Jack Johnson. Mr. Bankrupt, man. Crazy story. Crazy story. And Vancouver. Rookie redemption. Oh, we got a patch. Spectrum, it looks like. 10 of 10. Marion Gabrick, but this one's weird. It's definitely skate. I think that's skate, double skate. And wow, it looks straight black on the screen, but it is. There's like some, it's a little better, but it's pretty crazy looking. Josh Morrissey, number to 299, rookie. And then, like I said, before we started this, all that was left for tonight, the Islanders and the hockey break. And I see a couple notifications, so I'm not sure if those are still there or not. Morgan Riley to 55 for Toronto. Braden Holtby to 99 for the Capitals, Emerald. Crosby to 499. Allen, oh heck yeah. We got a little bit of every sport, honestly, right now. Larry Murphy to 99. I should have Alan, the spreadsheet should be updated, by the way. I've been trying to remove stuff as the last one's gone. Jason Dickinson to 399. Rookie dual jersey. And you got a wild card, which was 218. Rookie wild 218 on that one. And I just got shipping notification for Super Deluxe Hockey. It is on its way for next week's release. Ooh. Frederick Anderson to 75 with a nice looking 4 color patch on the one side. Old Frederick. Next, Anders Lee, number to 99, Emerald. Michael Matheson, rookie. $9.99. I like the design for the rookies this year. Pavel Bure to $4.99. Jeff, Super Break Hockey is made by Super Break Sports Products. It's a they started it. It's a branch essentially of a brick and mortar shop, but they've since they have a separate entity for Super Break because it just became such a big deal. So it's Super Break Sports Products is the name of it. Brendan Lipschick. Good to see you, Jeff, man. Oh, we got another Arum gold. Yushi Jokinen with the new Florida logo. Such a weird one. No problem, brother. No problem. But good guys over there. John Klingberg, number to 125. And last but not least, should be a redemption. Yep. Winnipeg Jets rookie redemption. Howie, there you have it, brother.